guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name's Oliver, and today we're going to take you guys back to the basics. I'm going to show you guys how to cook an egg 8 ways. Alright, first way guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to poach an egg. To poach an egg, we're using a non-stick pan. Because of the non-stick surface, the egg's going to come off a lot easier. Set the water to a simmering temperature, not boiling. So you're going to start seeing bubbles coming off the surface of it. You just want to clear off the bubbles and then cracking the egg. So once you've carefully laid your egg into this water bath, you don't want to move it so much and you want to keep maintaining the water temperature. So turn down the heat to low and just wait 4 minutes. 4 minutes exactly. Now once 4 minutes is done, just scoop it out, place it on a paper towel and then pat it dry.
And there's our poached egg. Now I normally have this for a breakfast item, or I just have it with a salad for lunch.
Egg number 2, we're going to do egg drop soup. Know that typical Chinese soup that you have at your local Chinese restaurant? We're going to make it at home. And so with a simple soup like this, you only need a couple simple ingredients. So chicken broth, egg, cornstarch, soy sauce, and white pepper. That's going to be all you need, just 5 ingredients to make this simple soup.
Here I am adding white pepper, soy sauce and cornstarch into the chicken broth. I've mixed the cornstarch with water to prevent it from congealing in the hot broth. Now once the broth has started to boil, we're turning off the heat and the soup will cool down to a simmering temperature, and this is when we're adding the egg. The residual heat from the soup and the stove will fully cook the egg and give it a gentle mix, and then the soup is ready.
Alright guys, so there's actually no secret to cooking the soup. It's really simple. Now what you need to do is make sure to drop in the egg after you turn off the stove, so the soup is not boiling too much, so the egg can settle and it can cook and form this silky texture in the soup. Egg number 3. I'm going to teach you guys how to make soft boiled eggs, medium boiled eggs, and hard boiled eggs. Very simple trick. All you need to remember is 3 minutes for the soft boiled eggs, 6 minutes for the medium, and then 10 minutes for the hard boiled egg. So to boil eggs, you want to make sure to start off with the egg in the pot and then fill it up with an inch of cold water, put it on there, and then once it starts to boil, turn off the heat, put the lid on, and then start the timer. So 3 minutes for the soft boiled egg, 6 minutes for the medium, and then 10 minutes for the hard boiled egg. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm going to start over here with the soft boiled egg. See how it goes. And then medium. And hard. This was 3 minutes, 6 minutes, and 10 minutes. Egg number 4. We're going to do a folded omelet. Now with the omelet, you want to cook all the fillings inside first. So I'm going to cook the mushrooms on a medium heat on my non-stick pan over here. And then once that's done, I'm going to take it out, put it outside, and I'm going to put in the scrambled eggs. So once the mushroom is done, I'm going to put it aside. We're going to pour in the eggs on medium heat with a little olive oil at the bottom and just let it cool and let it set. You want to just move the eggs around a little bit so it cooks evenly. Then once you start seeing the liquid egg on top starting to turn into solid, you're pouring a little bit of cheese and put the mushrooms on one side, fold it over and plate it. Easy as that. I'm going to cut this video right here. I showed you guys 4 interesting recipes how to cook an egg. I have 4 more coming next week. That's gonna be a part 2 of this video. Yeah, I have 2 super interesting recipes I promise you guys you have never seen before. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next week. Make sure to subscribe.